Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we will be talking about two words that you may or may not have heard of before. First up, we have gainsay. Gainsay. Have you ever been in a situation where you don't agree with what someone is saying? Maybe you don't believe them, or you have a different opinion. Well, when you express this disagreement, you are gainsaying them. In simpler terms, it means you're contradicting or denying what they are saying. Here is a sentence example. I can't gainsay the fact that he is a talented musician. Now, let's move on to our second word, halcyon. Halcyon. Have you ever had a day where everything felt perfect? The weather was nice, you had no worries, and everything was peaceful and calm? That's what halcyon means. It's a time of peace and tranquility. It's often used to describe a happy and successful time in the past. You can use it to describe a period of time, a place, or a feeling. This word, halcyon, has another meaning, and it's the name of a bird. You might know this bird as kingfisher, but in Greek, it's called halcyon. A long time ago, people in Greece believed that this bird built its nest on the ocean and made the waves calm during the winter time. That's why the word halcyon can also mean a time or place that is peaceful and calm, just like how the bird made the sea calm. Here is a sentence example. The halcyon days of her childhood were spent by the beach. Well, that's all for today's episode, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this. Thanks for watching.